So the ferry is over. At least 2 of the 4 hours were pretty much a roller coaster ride. Half of the boat got sick, threw up. It was kind of a very hard experience. We did not throw up at all, both of us.
But I got really sick.
But yeah, it was worth it. We're here now in Koh Tao, checking out some viewpoints. The first day starting easy. Tomorrow we'll start our diving course, the advance, for the next 2 or 3 days. But for the moment we are just enjoying the island. It's a pretty small island with some nice spots. I'll show you what I mean. Maybe you saw it in the news. There was a tropical storm, a cyclone called Pabuk here in Thailand. They closed down mostly the whole island. We're not able to go diving. We're stuck in the room for about almost 2-3 days. Well, not completely, but yeah, it was just raining and windy, so no way that we could start diving or do the advanced. Today, now on the 5th day on the island, we're finally able to start it, and we're really excited to improve our diving skills here in Koh Tao. Yeah, hope you enjoy the underwater world from Thailand. Yeah, the whole getting some nice shots for the vlog thing during diving didn't really work out. We had visibility of about 1-3 meters because of the storm. There was 2-3 days ago already. I told you before. Instead we'll show you some pretty nice pictures from the Twin Islands here next to Koh Tao. They're pretty famous, so I hope you like them. After a week now here in Koh Tao, 3 rainy days with the storm that kind of blocked us for our plans. We had like minor okay dives with the visibility, a part of the night dive, which was the best diving experience I had so far. Not that I have a big diving experience, but it was the best so far. So if you do dive, go for a night dive. If you don't dive, start diving and then go for a night dive. It's just incredible to see the underwater world by night. Kind of creepy because you only have the flashlight, that's all you see, but still, that's very cool. yeah, so from Koh Tao to Koh Secret. I'm gonna show you next week what I meant by Koh Secret. I'm very excited to go there. I had heard a lot of good things from this island, so yeah, see you in Koh Secret.